Welcome to the video. Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. The problem at hand involves counting the occurrences of different events within specific time windows. We have a list of events with their corresponding timestamps, as well as a list of time windows defined by start and stop times. Our goal is to count how many of each event occur within each time window, using only the pooler's library. Now, let's dive into the solution. The initial code provided offers a straightforward approach to achieving the desired outcome. By utilizing the int_ranges function to create a range of indexes, the explode function to expand the rows, and pivot to transform the data structure, we can effectively count the occurrences of each event within the defined time windows. The final output will display the start and stop times of each window, along with the respective counts for each event, neatly organized in a tabular format. In summary, we have successfully leveraged the capabilities of poolers to solve the problem at hand. By following a structured approach that involves creating index ranges, expanding the data, and pivoting to aggregate the event counts, we have obtained the desired output. I hope you found this solution helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Remember, coding can be fun, especially when you're exploring new and exciting solutions. Thanks for watching, and until next time,